Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account. First thing first, check your update and check your internet connection as well, and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you'll be directed to the home page, and that is basically how it's gonna look like. So then to begin with, click on the tab bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner. Scroll down a bit, click on settings and privacy. Once again, you'll need to be more specific, so go ahead and click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, go ahead and click on personal and account information. Once you're on this section, you'll need to scroll down a bit and click on account ownership and control. As soon as you click on account ownership and control, you'll be able to see two different options. From the list, you need to go ahead and click on deactivate and delete. So from here, you need to select whether you want to delete your account or whether you want to deactivate your account. After that, click on continue to account whatever. For the identification, you'll need to type in or confirm your password associated with your Facebook account. Next page, you'll be asked to select a reason for deactivating your account. After that, you'll need to give a reason or valid reason, and then you'll successfully deactivated your Facebook account. So in this way, you can deactivate your Facebook account. However, you can only deactivate your account for 30 days. Otherwise, after 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So make sure that you log in before 30 days. Otherwise, we might just lose your account. So that is basically how you can deactivate your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.